Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what the carrier requires, the Esim QR or numeric activation code, and your device unlocked. Once done, verify your phone model supports Esim and install any pending OS updates so the activation won't fail. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and the battery's above half. These reduce risk during transfer. Then open Settings and navigate to the cellular or mobile plan section, so you're ready to scan or enter the activation details immediately. You now add the new plan. Go to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Plans, and tap Add Cellular Plan. If you have a QR code, choose Scan QR and align it until the phone recognizes the code. If given manual details, pick Enter Details and type the SMDP Plus address and activation code exactly as provided. After the phone downloads the profile, assign a label, primary or work, and choose which plan handles data and voice. Make sure to confirm and wait for the carrier activation to complete. You finish by restarting the phone to finalize settings, then check that you see the carrier name and signal bars. Once restarted, place a test call, send a text, and load a web page to confirm voice and data work. Make sure the correct plan is selected for data. If something fails, toggle the Esim plan off and on, then restart and retry. If activation still fails, contact the carrier and provide your IMEI and the Esim ICSID so they can troubleshoot provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.